Dude, this Black Friday, I'm so fired up because we are bringing a product to market. Again, it's not new, but for us, we've reinvented this category to make it absolutely amazing for you. Welcome to the new Young Nails Gel Polish. Finally, we have a bigger bottle. 1/2 ounce, which is more product, better value. Dude, every single bottle is going to be color coded with the exact match of the product inside. Dude, this is gonna be easy identification, not only for you, but your customers, right? Oh my gosh, I love this turquoise blue. What does it look like inside the bottle? Bro, exact. Telling you, it's gonna be so easy. And not only that, we've matched all the colors in the line to the Young Nails nail polish, right? So they both go in perfect harmony. Dude, this formula has incredible coverage. And we made sure that we equipped the brush with the rounded tip so that it's going to be super easy to get around the cuticle area. Genius. It not only has that incredible coverage, but it self-levels beautifully, and it has incredible long-lasting wear. Last but not least, we wanted to make sure the product was EU compliant. There's no HEMA or TPO inside the product. We wanted to make sure that we packaged the base and our Tac-Free top coat in 2 different color packaging. That way you guys will be able to identify the product a lot easier. To recap, you get a 1/2 ounce bottle. Larger, more product, better value, color coded so that you and your client will be able to identify the color a lot easier. You're going to have better coverage. You're going to have self-leveling application. You're gonna have long-lasting wear. And last but not least, it is EU compliant, which is TPO and HEMA free. Now, let's talk about the gel polish mystery box value. So we set this up so that you guys are going to be able to choose any 12 colors, any 12, plus base and top, which is over a $200 value for 75 bucks. Bro, think about that. You're getting 12 colors, a base, and a top coat of this incredible formulation, this absolutely incredible packaging for 75 bucks. I mean, just coming in here and grabbing all this color. Think about that. If you guys are looking to get into the new collection and you want it all, this is the way to do it, right? Or again, you can choose what you like. If you want 12 bottles of whatever colors you guys want, you're gonna get the base and top for 75 bucks. But again, if you want them all, take advantage of it, you guys, because this deal is going to be only for Black Friday, right? $200 value for 75 bucks, 12 colors of your choice plus base and top. Get it while you can.